Get Meesho Instant Cash in just 5 minutes. How? If you are eligible to apply for Meesho Instant Cash, you can follow these simple steps. Number 1. Check your pre-approved offer on the new Instant Cash tab. Number 2. Click on Apply Now to start your application. Number 3. Go through the pre-filled application page and click on Check Your Offer to get the best offer. Number 4. Select the withdrawal amount you need and click on Start Your Application. Number 5. Verify your KYC details and take a selfie. Number 6. If you don't have a camera on your computer, you can click a photo from your phone and upload it. To upload the selfie, click Upload Selfie and follow the steps. Number 7. Digitally sign the loan documents using the OTP sent on your Meesho registered mobile number. You can read the loan documents by clicking here. Number 8. Set up the auto debit process for automatic repayments. Use debit card or net banking details for the setup. And don't worry, it is completely safe to provide your net banking or debit card details for the auto debit setup. Number 9. In case your bank does not support the auto debit process, you can download a eNACH form, sign it and then upload it to the Digio portal. This offline process could take up to 7 days depending on your bank. Number 10. Once the application is submitted, you will receive the requested amount once your application is approved. Number 11. You can click on Go to Dashboard to view the loan details and to withdraw more money. We told you, it's simple. You are all set to apply for Meesho Instant Cash. Happy selling on Meesho.